Afternoon, guys. I'm Dave Canterbury with Self-Reliance Outfitters and the Pathfinder School. And what I want to show you today is a new trucker's cook set that we've developed. It's based around a squirrel cooker. Obviously, we have the bedroll cook set, which is hugely popular. We can't keep it in stock. But we've also got this trucker's cook set that we've created based, again, on the squirrel cooker. So if you look at a basic squirrel cooker design, take a couple of these pieces off of here that are extra with this kit. You have a steak that's got a pigtail in it, and you can put this in two different directions. One direction has a meat fork so that you can actually cook and rotate food over a fire. A squirrel, that's why they call it a squirrel cooker, or any type of meat. And the other side of this, if you put it in the other direction, just becomes a pot hook. Again, that is adjustable in length so that you can hang your pot over the fire. And then the steak obviously holds everything in place. Now, what we've done is we've added a couple more pieces to this. So we have taken another upright. First of all, we've taken two hooks, bale hooks, and we've added them to this crossbar, which now becomes a galley pole. And we've taken another straight upright here that's just got a shepherd hook in it. And that can be used as a fire poker if you're using it as a squirrel cooker, or it can be used as a galley pole to hang your pots off of. And you can just put that over the top of your fire to use that as a regular galley pole style cook set. So by adding this additional leg, you've created a galley pole now that has two hooks on it that you can hang your pots over the fire on, just like this. And you can slide them up and down the galley pole to get the position of the fire you want, or you can put multiple pots on here if you choose to do so. It just gives you an extra piece of versatility by adding two hooks and another steak, so that not only is it a squirrel cooker, it's also a complete cook system.